So, good morning, Elisabetta. First of all, thank you for joining me today. Please, Elisabetta, could you tell us briefly how is MOST, what you do in this profession?
Okay. MOST is a company founded 24 years ago. We start with the production of labels and end tag for the fashion garment sector. Then adding workmanship inside. So we start to produce, adding technology year after year. We have entered the world of accessories and shoes, leather goods, and not only that. Continuing to work in the clothing sector.
So how and why you decide to put our 3D printing technologies in MOST?
Okay. Our mission with creativity is innovation, one of the first point. We chose your technology because it allows us to push the boundaries of textile design and open the ability to print directly in 3D onto fabric, open us new creative possibilities and gave us the flexibility to produce a complex, customized pattern with precision, and it also aligned perfectly with our goal of combining, as I was saying before, innovation, design, and also sustainability, I could say. What you can do with direct 3D printing, you can't do it with any other. With all the other technique, you have to develop molds, quite complex, sometimes very expensive, and not all the time. The first that you produce, it's okay, so you have to redo another and another and another. In this case, you don't have to develop a mold. You have to develop a file, which is easier to modify.
What kind of feedback do you get from customers about their products enhanced with our technology, so the 3D fashion?
They are more and more interested. At the beginning of this journey, we had to push, to propose with every client. But now they are asking us to make some proposal at the beginning of each collection. They do, okay, I would like to see high frequency, I would like to see screen printing, I would like to see 3D printing. So we are happy because it means that they are metabolizing the technique, the style offices. Now, after 4 years of tests and trials, and we can say production, we have done real production for resins are changed. Now, step by step, if at the beginning it was not so sure, the bonding was not so good, because we have to understand which textile were right and which were wrong. Now, after hundreds and thousands projects, this technology has evolved. And because it's young and handled by a team of high-skilled technicians, could only go better. Things can only get better. I mean, so I've seen this development in 3-4 years. Amazing, incredible, very quick. If I compare to other technology I've seen in all these years of working this sector. So we are doing well.
Good. Well. Thank you very much, Elisabetta, for sharing, your insights and experience. And let's continue, pushing in both sides. So as a user, okay? Thank you very much.